AI is not just some futuristic fantasy. It's here right now, and it's changing the game for entrepreneurs and businesses of all sizes. We're talking about AI business automation software, the kind of tools that can take your business from grinding to absolutely crushing it. This isn't about replacing humans, it's about working smarter, not harder. So buckle up, because in this video, I'm going to break down exactly how you can leverage AI business automation software to potentially get rich. Let's be real. Nobody got into business to spend hours on end doing data entry or chasing down invoices. This is where AI swoops in to save the day and your sanity. Think about software like Zapier or Automate.io. These platforms are like having a virtual assistant who never sleeps, never complains, and works for peanuts. They can automatically handle all that tedious stuff, from inputting data to sending follow-up emails, even processing those invoices that make you want to pull your hair out. Look, time is money, and AI just bought you a whole lot of both. We live in an on-demand world, people. Your customers expect answers, solutions, and support now, not later. But let's be honest, you can't be glued to your computer screen 24/7, answering every email and message the second it comes in. Or can you? This is where AI chatbots become your secret weapon. We're talking about platforms like ChatGPT or Drift, which you can seamlessly integrate into your website or e-commerce platform. These bots are like having a whole customer service team working around the clock, providing instant responses, troubleshooting common issues, and even assisting with sales inquiries. Plus, think about the cost savings of not having to staff a full-time customer service team. That's huge. Listen, marketing is the lifeblood of any business. But traditional marketing methods can be time-consuming, expensive, and, let's face it, not always effective. Enter AI-powered marketing automation platforms like HubSpot and Marketo. These tools are about to become your new best friend. Imagine this: your email marketing campaigns, social media posts, even your entire content calendar, all managed and optimized by AI. No more guessing games, no more wasted ad spend, just laser-focused targeting and maximum impact. AI is like having a whole team of marketing ninjas working for you around the clock, and that's a game changer. Managing your supply chain and inventory can feel like a constant juggling act, right? Too much stock and you're sitting on dead weight, too little and you're losing out on potential sales. But what if you could predict demand with incredible accuracy? Well, now you can, thanks to AI-powered solutions like ClearMetal and TradeGecko. These platforms use machine learning to analyze historical data, market trends, and even external factors like weather patterns to forecast demand with pinpoint precision. This means you can optimize your inventory levels, avoid costly overstocking or stockouts, and ensure you always have the right products in the right quantities at the right time. The result? Improved cash flow, reduced waste, and ultimately a healthier bottom line. It's like having a crystal ball for your business, and that's powerful stuff. We live in the age of data, folks. Every click, every purchase, every interaction generates a treasure trove of information. But data is useless unless you can understand it and extract actionable insights. That's where AI-powered data analytics platforms like Tableau and IBM Watson come in. These platforms are like having a team of data scientists at your fingertips, crunching numbers and spitting out insights that can transform your business. Armed with this knowledge, you can make faster, smarter, and more data-driven decisions that give you a competitive edge. Remember, knowledge is power, and with AI, you can harness the power of your data like never before. All right, let's talk sales, because at the end of the day, revenue is king, right? But finding and converting leads can be a grind. But what if you could automate the entire sales process, from lead generation to closing deals? That's the power of AI-powered sales platforms like Salesforce Einstein and Pipedrive. These platforms are like having an army of sales reps working tirelessly to fill your pipeline and close deals. They analyze sales data, identify high-potential leads, and even predict the best times to reach out to maximize your chances of success. With AI-powered sales automation, you can say goodbye to the guesswork and hello to a more efficient, effective, and ultimately more profitable sales process. Imagine this: personalized outreach messages tailored to each individual prospect, automated follow-up sequences that nurture leads and move them through the sales funnel. Let's be real. Nobody enjoys dealing with accounting and financial reports. It's time-consuming, tedious, and, well, prone to human error. But what if you could automate the entire process, freeing up your time and mental bandwidth for more important tasks? That's the beauty of AI-powered accounting tools like QuickBooks AI and Xero. These platforms are like having a virtual CFO at your disposal, handling everything from tracking expenses and generating financial reports to offering tax filing assistance. Imagine this: no more manual data entry, no more late nights hunched over spreadsheets, and no more costly mistakes. The result? Accurate, up-to-date financial information at your fingertips, reduced need for expensive accountants, and more time to focus on growing your business. Personalization, the secret weapon to customer loyalty. In today's hyper-competitive market, personalization is key to winning over customers and keeping them coming back for more. But delivering personalized experiences at scale can be a challenge, right? Not anymore, thanks to AI-powered tools like Dynamic Yield and Adobe Sensei. These platforms analyze customer data, including their browsing history, purchase behavior, and even their social media activity, to create a detailed profile of each individual customer. This allows you to deliver personalized product recommendations, tailor your marketing messages to their specific interests, and create a seamless and engaging customer journey across all touchpoints. With AI-powered personalization, you can create those deep, meaningful connections that turn one-time buyers into lifelong fans. Finding and retaining top talent is crucial for any business's success, but the traditional HR process can be time-consuming, expensive, and, let's be honest, a bit of a headache. Enter AI-powered HR platforms like Bamboo HR and Workday. These platforms are about to become your secret weapon for streamlining your entire HR process, from recruitment and onboarding to performance evaluations. Imagine this: AI-powered tools that automatically screen resumes, schedule interviews, and even conduct initial candidate screenings. These platforms can also automate onboarding tasks, manage employee data, and even provide personalized training recommendations. The result? Reduced HR costs, faster time to hire, and a more engaged and productive workforce. Scaling your business is the dream, right? But growth often comes with growing pains, like increased workloads, higher costs, and the constant need for more resources. But what if you could scale your business without breaking the bank or losing your mind? That's the power of AI. AI-powered platforms can help you manage everything from sales and marketing to customer service and supply chain operations, all while keeping costs in check. By automating key processes and providing real-time insights, AI empowers you to do more with less, allowing you to scale your operations rapidly and efficiently without sacrificing quality or customer experience. The result? Increased profit margins, significant revenue growth, and the ability to compete with even the biggest players in your industry. AI is no longer just a tool for large corporations. It's a game changer for businesses of all sizes, leveling the playing field and creating unprecedented opportunities for growth. The future is automated. Are you ready to get rich? So there you have it, folks. AI business automation is no longer a luxury. It's a necessity for any business that wants to thrive in the 21st century. By embracing these powerful tools, you can streamline your operations, boost your efficiency, and unlock unprecedented levels of growth and profitability. The key is to start small, experiment, and find the tools that work best for your specific business needs. So what are you waiting for? The future is automated, and it's time for you to cash in.